Yes, good day, people. So, guys, today just going to make this thing real quick and short, guys. And if let's say you miss something up or you have any question to ask, guys, we just have to comment them in the comment section. So, guys, without wasting any time, guys, let me just start. And today, guys, it's 04/16/2025, guys. Yeah, so in obviously, guys, you already know that we don't trade news with this strategy, guys. We only let's say if there is news, let's say there is NFP, CPI or PPI, whenever they're coming out, guys, we have to wait for 30 minutes, then we can trade after or before news. That's how it works, guys. Because always news they're going to mess things up. So whenever news is cool down, then yes, we can trade. So let's just start, guys. And for those who are new, guys, how I do, I start from what? From weekly, then I say daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. And daily, weekly, and daily, they're my higher time frame, guys, where I take things like I see things in higher picture. You understand? Then 4 hours, that's where I start to mark my zones. Same applies to 15 minutes. Then I've also, which I can say 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is for refinement, and I execute my trades on 1 minute. So that's it, guys. So let me just start from what? From weekly. And as you can see on weekly, we took out what? This high point here. Yes, we took out this high point. So what does it mean? That means you are what? We are bullish. As you can see, we go all the way down and what? We break it here. So we are bullish. I took what? This rectangle to I start to what? To mark my zones. So what I'm doing on weekly here, that's what I'll do also on what? On daily, on each time frame, guys, till I get to 1 minute. Doing this same thing, same applies, guys. Then again, I took what? A horizontal line. I mark here on top, on high point. Why I mark here? I just want to see if market is rating on something. And as you can see here, if I took my highlight here, this one is the high point. That is well, that's where what market is reacting on. So we have what market reacting on high point. If I can start to zoom, I can see we have a clean supply zone here. So that means here it can be a what? A supply zone. I mark it like this. My supply zone, I extended here. As you can see, market come all the way from downward to this supply zone. And it's rating inside there. That's where it closes, guys. On what? On this supply zone. So if it closes here, that means possibly market it can. Let me just start by saying like this. Yeah, market can give us a reaction from this supply zone all the way to this what? To this demand zone and continue what? Bullish. That's what market can do here. Or else market can just close inside like this here and come again from another what? Another candle and closes up here. When it closes up here, definitely it will form a what? A demand zone here. Then it will just retest a little and continue what? Bullish. So that's what it is. Now we are bullish. You just want to look for buys. But if it tracks strongly, hear this. If it tracks strongly on this supply zone here, if let's say it tracks so strongly, like very strong, we can take bulls all the way to what? To this supply zone here. Hear this, guys. And here, this high point there, it couldn't touch the price. So it just used as what? As inducement and liquid at the same time here. Because here, we've what? Yeah, touch here and this touch here. It never touched what? This supply zone. So this one, basically, it was a what? It was a liquid, guys. If market come all the way, it sweep all the liquidity to what? And reach what? This supply zone. So that's it, guys. We are bullish, guys. So, and again here, at the moment you can see here, let me just do like this here. Here, we have what? It's a high point here, and we have a good clean zone here on top here, guys. Here, there is a good supply zone here on top here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see there. Here, as you can see, where I mark here. Let me just put an X here. Check where I put an X, guys. Here. Where I put an X here. That's a supply zone, a nice one. And what's happening with this supply zone? As you can see on this supply zone, we are forming liquid. Let me remove this axis here. Okay. We are forming liquid here. All right, let me just remove this circle thing here and put a what? A clear rectangle too, so that you guys you can see here. Yeah, as you can see, we are forming liquid here. You see here. We are put one X here. Here. Oh, this one, it's liquid, guys. And this liquid is for what? It's for this one, this upper supply zone. So we still have more room here to go up to take what? This supply zone. So buys, guys, we're still looking for buys. So again, like what I said, without wasting any time, guys, I'm gonna remove everything here and go to what? To daily. That's what we're looking for. On what? On weekly. On daily, the same thing, guys. Yeah. What we just did on what? On weekly, we're just gonna do again on daily. We mark our we mark what's that? Market take out what? This high point. Let me just extract it like this here. I take a rectangle to I mark it like this again. Again. So that's how it is, guys. Yeah. On what? On daily, I mark what? My demand zones here, guys. Then again, you take a horizontal tool, you mark this high point here. This high point, we are marking it why? To see if, let's say, we are reacting on something, guys. So extend it like this. So that's where market is reacting. And as you can see, guys, we have a what? We have a good supply zone up here. Again, I will just mark it and extend it to the right. As you can see, here, guys, here on this portion here, as you can see, highlight two here. Market is rating on this high point here. And if I check, there's no clear what? Supply zone. So it's a high point. That means market is just like, because this line here, where I just mark it is 3 axis here. That line, guys, here, it's where market is rating on, right? So here, market, it hasn't take out even this high point. So basically there's no clear supply zone where market we can say, okay, market is coming from what? From unmitigated zone. So in this kind of scenarios, guys, market can just sweep everything here, everything that is here, it will be swept. Then we get what? To this clear supply zone here. And because there, it's all liquid up here, guys. I hope you understand this one here. It's all liquid, guys. Here. So let me just do like this. Sorry. If I do like this, here, guys, let's say I remove what? My extended tool, I take a trend, like a trend line, I mark it. That's what, guys. Here. If I do like this, guys, I hope we will get this one right, guys. $7 that liquid, guys. So if I mark it like this, guys, that's all liquid. So remember that on weekly we are rating out on supply zone. There's a supply zone, but that supply zone yet it is double tops on top. So we still we still look we can still look for bullish, guys, to what? To this supply zone. If we get to this supply zone, yes, we can get a reaction maybe to somewhere where we can get a demand, then we continue to boost, or we can just go all the way to what? To this demand here. Or else another thing, what I'm planning here, it may not happen. Market can just come again, it or come all the way to this demand zone. If we come to this demand zone, we can see that okay, bearish, they're showing too much power. We can take those bears, but then that's a counter trend. And I understand this one. That's a counter trend, guys. We have to be sure about this one. That's a counter trend. We can take trades, but we cannot hold them for too long because anytime, any minute, you can just be swept, guys. So that's what we're looking at the moment. Because but then for me, as for now, I can just start what? To look for bulls up to what? To this supply zone. Then after this supply zone, yes, then base all the way down here. So just note that, guys. So again, that's like what we're looking at the moment on what? On daily and weekly. So let's just go to 4 hours and see if anything is clear. So I'll just remove all these drawings and start to analyze again. Yeah. So take this trend line or mark it like this. Sorry. Or extended it like this. So, yeah, so like this, yeah. Okay, just know that whatever I'll be doing on weekly, I'll just do it again on what? So let me just make it remove the extended to, yeah. Yeah, just know that guys, that whatever I'm doing on weekly, it's what I'll be just doing even 1 minute. I'm just gonna do the same, guys, because this strategy, that's how it is, guys. It's a strategy, guys. Yeah, so we are weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hours, 4 hour again, again bullish. And yeah, if you can see again with a, because like here on this part here, let me just check it. As you can see here, where I put an X here, guys. As you can see, we have a what market, it just makes something like this here. Boom, boom, boom. That's how here where I make this, I just make a circle is this part here, guys. So for me, listen to this one. For me, all inside bars, guys, whenever there's an inside bar, that's a demand zone. Because market can just form something like this here, like this. You understand? So here there will be, let's say, an inside bar. So if let's say there's an inside bar, that means it's a zone for me. If it's a zone, it will be, let's say we are on an uptrend, that's a supply zone, and a downtrend, that a sorry, on an uptrend, that's a demand zone. On a what? On a downtrend, that could be a supply zone. So that's all, guys. So as you can see, also again with what overlap week here. I'll mark this week like this here. Then I'll just mark it like this. Yeah, so that's how it is, guys, or not on 4 hours. And again, I don't forget to take my horizontal tool or mark this high point to check if, because for those who can, let's say, ask that, why are you always mark a high point to put a horizontal line here like this here? I mark it to see if market is rating on something, because if it's rating on something, that could be a strong, let's say I'll be looking for strong change of character, not simple ones. Because by strong, I always say that if it's a strong, I'll be looking to for it to break what 2 or 3 or more zones. You understand? But in a simple, it can just break one, it's enough. But then for more, yeah, that means it's a strong. So here I'll be just looking if it's rating on something, and also it can tell me that if it's rating on something powerful, basically we can have a long retest up to what? To this demand zone. Then we continue what? Bullish, 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 bullish. You understand? So that's how it is, guys. I'll just extend again here my tool to see if I'm rating on something. Sorry. Yeah, as you can see, we are here, guys. Yeah. So here. So don't forget that on weekly, we are rating on what? On weekly rating on supply zone, but that supply zone is not that strong because on top we have liquid, and then again we have liquid double tops. Then 4 hours again, let's see 4 hours is what's telling us here, guys. On 4 hours here, as you can see again, same as daily here. We have not a good supply zone. We only have this supply zone here where I put lines here, and it's already mitigated by what? By this price action here. Then market go down. So here we have a what? We have no good, what? Supply zone. And here where market is just tap here. As you can see, if we extend it like this here, this one to go to that other side is gonna be liquid again. So you can see, guys, right from weekly, daily 4 hours, it's still showing us what? The bull pressure, like, oh, liquid is still there, liquid is still there, until it sweep all the liquid up here. Then we can start what? To look for bearish. For now, guys, let's just buy Euro USD, buy Euro USD. You understand it? That's it, guys. This one is just a high point there, guys. That's a high point there where market is rating on. And the high point, yes, they can retest price, but in us, we just want to keep on buying, 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 buying. Till liquid, we know that, okay, there is no liquid up there. So that's how it is, guys. And if I took again what? A trend line, I mark it this point and this, we can see, guys. So let me just take out this one. Like this, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so let me just put $3 and $3 sign, guys. That they only means what's that? It's liquid up there, guys. As you can see, market here, tape what? One time here, guys. One time again, boom, 2 time, 3 time. People they were selling, then again, people they extend that trend line, say, fourth time, let's sell, then boom, it break that trend line. So you can see that we're still buying, guys. And our buys, they can only end up when we reach this high point here. So let me just take a horizontal ray, guys. Yeah, I mark here. So here, that's how it is, guys. We can still buy up to what? To this, let me, to this high area, to this high point there. That's where our buys can end. If we reach here, then we can maybe start to look for sales upward to this demand zone, or else market can just sorry, can just break here. When it break here, it give us a good demand zone. We can wait for retest and continue buying, buying, guys. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. You can see easy thing, guys. And after this, guys, because they I have these are the like what I implement in my strategy. So in this strategy, guys, we have 4 hours. For 4 hours, if a zone is too big, I refine it what to 15 minutes. And once I refine it to 15 minutes and yet it's too big, I cannot move it from 15 minutes to 5 minutes. But then if listen to this, if I refine my zone, let's say I have a zone on 15 minutes, not on 4 hours, on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, I can refine my zones to 5 minutes. You understand? That's how it is, guys. But as time goes on, you come to watch these videos, you understand each and everything, guys. Yeah. So that's how it is. Then here you can see this zone, guys. This week is too big. So if it's too big, I'll just flip again to what? To 15 minutes and see how it is here and try to refine it if it's clear. If it's not clear, I will just leave it the way it is big. As you can see, yeah, we have what? A small demand here, which is a good demand, clean with IFC. Everything is here. Then I can just extend it here to this point. Oh, sorry. To this point, as you can see, market come again, it tapered that that demand 50 minutes where I refine this demand, guys. Not yeah, it's a 4 hours. That's all, guys. Yeah. So I'll mark again. As you can see inside here, guys, I have good liquid here. I have good liquid here. As you can see, guys, that's liquid here. I have good liquid here. So this all liquid here, all this liquid here, it was coming forward. It just market come and take it and boom, it's going up. And it's going up to do what? To do what? To clear all this liquid here. All this liquid is gonna be cleared to market reach what? This high point where market. Yes, guys, I'm on 15 minutes. I already explained everything on high time frame like 4 hours. If you, I think it's about a minute or 2 minutes ago, you can see everything that I just explained everything that this one is our high point target here. As you can see, market is already going to target that one, that thing here. What's that? That high point, guys. Easy, easy. So let me just remove my drawings and go back where at 4 hours here. So 4 hours, that's how it is, guys. Don't let this thing to confuse you guys. As you can see, I explain everything that here. I refine market come boom. It tapered this demand zone. Now is going to what? Oh, sorry, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Pause. Yeah, I'm back, guys. As you can see, market, like what I just say, market just come, guys. Here. Oh, sorry. Oh, we target what? This high point. Good, guys. Yeah, I'm in a hurry, guys. So let me just have a put in message, guys. I'm sorry about that. So let me just come to 15 minutes and show you the direction, guys. Again, yeah. Someone just sent me a message and it's important, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. As you can see, so that's how it is, guys, on 15 minutes here, guys. Yeah. Yes, that's our 15 minutes. So on a 15 minutes, as you can see, guys, we just target what this high point. So we wait for market to come here. Then that's our TP here, guys. So here, let me just analyze real quick. I'm going, guys. I'm going. So I can just mark this high point here. This high point. That's our high point, guys. And again, let me see if let's say, yeah, so this one is our lower. Again, we can take another one here. Then again, in here we can use this one also because Yeah, so that's our demand zone, guys. Here. So as you can see, wow, price, guys, is still looking good here, guys. As you can see here, we have a what? That's liquid here, still to target, guys. Still to target, guys. So that's our 15 minute, guys. So what are we looking at 15 minutes? So let me just take out this dirty thing here. What are we looking at here? So as you can see, these zones here where I just mark, with the one that I just marked, guys, here, these ones, 1, 2, 3. Here, we just wait for market to pull down here, then boom, target what here. If market pull down here and we go to 1 minute, on 1 minute it must give us a what, a change of character, in like a change of character, guys. If it comes and tap one of these supply zone, it gives us a simple, we don't need a strong one, a simple, like a tiny change of character. Boom. We take a what? Our trade, we target this supply. Maybe it can, this one can fail. It cannot give us anything. The first one, then come to the second one. If second one give us something, guys, boom, we take that trade, we target here, guys. We still have many chances here. If the second one first, definitely third, it will just hold. If it holds there, our stop loss, guys, it's just gonna be down here. It's just gonna, we do like this here, we, down under this what, this 4 hour, this 4 hour demand zone, and we target here, guys. Look, guys, here, it's 1 to 6, guys. Here, risk ratio, guys. Can you imagine, guys? 1 to 6, then boom, market come to this third one, then it gives us a reaction, boom, we target it. Simple strategy, guys. Can you imagine? I move from what, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, and these zones here, the one that I just mark on 50 minutes, I'll go again on what, on 5 minutes and refine them. Once I refine them, then 1 minute I get a change of character, boom, we target everything, guys. Then our target point is this one, guys. Market definitely, guys. I'm telling you, it's still gonna sweep everything up here and go up here. Guys, have a good day, guys. I'm going now. Peace up. I love you all. If you have any question, just go pop it on comment section. Then you're good.